Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can set up a Telegram bot for your OpenClaw bot so you can communicate to it using your Telegram account. Also guys, if you're looking for a full step-by-step beginner guide on how to set up OpenClaw also with Telegram, I will link that video in the upper right corner and also at the end of this video. But now let's go ahead and continue. So for this I will go to my terminal, and here I'm on the Telegram step. So again, if you want a full step-by-step guide on how to get to this step, you can watch the video that I will link at the end of this video. But essentially, let's go ahead and open our Telegram app. Now you can do this on your phone if you like, but I have it on my PC, so it's a bit easier. But the process is still the same. So let's go ahead and set up a Telegram bot that we will use as a profile for our OpenClaw or Clawdbot. So what you would need to do is go to the search bar and just search for this bot right here, the bot father. So just type in bot father, just like this, and then select the first user. So I already chatted to it in the past, but the process would be, once you open up the chat, you will see a start message right here. So you would just need to click on start, and then this command will automatically execute, which would give you this menu with the bot father profile. On this menu, to create a new bot, just simply click on this first command that says new bot. So again, just search for the bot father and then just click new bot right here. Or you can even type it manually in the chat. So once the command is initiated, the bot father will give you this message. So here, let's go ahead and choose a display name for our bot. So something like this, just random. And next up, you would need to choose a username. So I will just copy this, and then you need to add _bot to it. So something like this. Just be sure that ends with _bot. Next, let's go ahead and check if this username is available. So it looks like it's not available, so let's go ahead and change it to something else, just something like this, and then press enter. And there we go. That username was available. So now you have your bot created, and next up you would need to connect it to your Moldbot. Now if you have already set up a different gateway that you use to communicate with your Moldbot, you can just copy paste this access API key to that application and then just tell it to use this key to connect to Telegram. But if you didn't, in the setup wizard you would just need to select Telegram using enter. And then right here, you would just need to paste that token that we just copied. After that, just go ahead and press enter, and then just get your user ID and paste it over here. The way that you get your user ID, you would need to search for this bot right here. So this is its username, user info bot. Just go ahead and search it in the search bar, and then just start the chat as we did with the bot father, and then just copy your user ID and paste it over here. Now that will only give you access to this bot, so other people can't access it and use your bot. Once you have your user ID pasted, just go ahead and press enter, and it will be configured with your Telegram account. Next up, to actually access the bot and start chatting with it, again go to the bot father profile, so your chat where you got this message with the API key and everything, and here you would just need to click on this link right here, this link. Once you click on your link, just go ahead and start the chat with your bot, and then here it should respond. But I didn't finish the configuration, so I didn't get a response. But essentially, that's how you create a bot on Telegram and then connect it to your Moldbot. If you would like a complete step-by-step setup guide, you can watch this video right here. Thank you for watching.